4342. Chief Alvarez, 4342.
Gear up, boys. Our detectives just hit the jackpot following a new lead for methamphetamine production in 213 Park and need some door kickers for the job. They booked this tweaking gangbanger for shooting up a 4U station the other day. The fool had a note in his pocket all about this meth lab in 213 Park. He was planning on spending his earnings from the robbery up there.
How do we know it's legit?
Good question. Well, as our luck would have it, a uniformed patrol just happened to drive near the house a few days ago and picked up what they presumed was a hit-and-run victim by the side of the road. It turned out he was a runner for the guys that run the neighborhood. He admitted everything while in the back of the ambulance. He was in a bad way and wanted to clear his conscience. He'd pocketed the cash from this big deal he'd overseen. He was planning on skipping town with this hooker or something like that. They tortured him in the attic of this house and left him for dead. Once the hospital got him stabilized, he sang like a bird. He told us everything he could about this place in exchange for immunity.
What sort of premises are we dealing with?
We're dealing with multiple. There are 2 properties, both empty. One went into foreclosure and somehow got lost in the bank's systems. Nobody's touched it since. The second is a house just to the north. The family was killed during a robbery on their way to the airport. The house was being fumigated, and it sat that way empty ever since. Nobody seems to want the thing, but they're just the top layer. Our boy Reese managed to explain that there's a secret garage built under the property. That's where the heaviest footfall is happening. That's where we need to be. We've got the house under surveillance, but Reese gave us the core opening hours. That's when we move. The orders are to arrest at least 2 suspects at the property for detectives to pursue this investigation. We nail them and get this lab shut down, and it's a big check in the win column. We won't be welcome in this part of town. I'm sure most of you here know how its residents feel about police presence, so this will be a big crackdown. Be advised that we have no information on suspects or civilians other than the possibility many will be under the influence of methamphetamine and be highly erratic and potentially violent on contact. Not to mention gang activity, meaning the presence of firearms on persons within the meth house, so I would advise you proceed with extreme caution. We don't want to cause a riot, and lethal force is only permissible as a defensive measure. Am I clear on that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want us to split into 3 teams. First team, I want you to take the first property. Sweep it. Arrest anybody that gets in your way. I want that house cleared and the garage held. Nobody gets in and nobody gets out until we've processed them. This mission is just as much about making a statement to the 213 district as it is about anything else.
Officer Bewley, report to staff.
Talk reporting. The suspects are refusing to come out or negotiate. You are clear to move in.
LSPD!
Use the shotgun and clear.
On it.
Swap the key.
Moving!
Opening on the right.
Hands up right now! Drop the fucking gun now! Don't rush me up. LSPD, don't move! Good here.
Going
Let
in
me
the
see
car.
those hands! All good.
Stay calm.
Put safe.
Cops, deals off!
Police! Hands up! Come out!
Element, this is
Hands
Doc.
on your head!
Proceed
Come
with
out
mission.
slowly! Come out with your hands up! Police, come out now!
Empty
got
over
this
here.
under control.
No contact.
I have a serious withdrawal problem.
Element to talk.
The only way-
Civilian cuffed and prepped for evac.
Lead, this is Doc. We're ready for him.
Trying to get clean. This isn't laced, is it?
Fall in.
Got your six.
First time doing this.
Lower the handle and clear.
I'm good to go.
Going in!
Opening on the left. Empty light here. No contact.
On me.
That's your back.
God damn it. Bitch.
You drop your weapons, cunt!
Fall in behind me.
You got point. Police, don't fucking move! Put the
not the only
weapon
one with a
down!
gun,
Police, you're
bitch.
under arrest! Drop it and get down! Drop the
fucking
weapon
way.
now! Police, get down on the ground!
Show
Drop
me
the
your
weapon!
fucking hands,
Police,
cocksucker.
don't move! Police, hands on your head!
Fuck you! No fucking
Element to talk. Collecting.
Lead, this is Doc. Secure it and keep going.
Suspect cuffed and secure.
Suspect secure, ready for pickup.
Doc here. Send him our way.
Making you safe.
No fucking way!
Zipped up and good to go. Enter team to talk. Suspect secure. Evidence secure. Securing.
Doc reporting. Trailer's on the way.
Entry team to talk. Narcotics located.
Doc to lead. Forensics notified.
Open it and clear it with a flash.
Out of the way, sir.
Gonna bang
Show me your fucking head!
it. Empty
Show
over
me
here.
hands,
No
okay?
contact.
Lights the out.
Good here.
Gotta pack it up. We can't just leave her.
Lead to talk. Civilian is alive but unresponsive.
Suspect
Doc here. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
On my six.
Need you to slide over.
Open and flashbang.
10-4. Flashing swap.
Watch your step. This place is fucked up.
Clear over here, boss.
Don't worry. I've got friends. Friends with guns.
Ram, gas, and clear.
Got it.
You gonna move? Swap with me. Ready to knock.
Fucking guys.
Yes.
I got nothing here.
Let's clear over here, boss.
Looking under the bed. Hands on your head, move! On me, move.
You got point.
Dropping a chem light.
Fucking
Freeze!
pussy! Fat
Drop the
chance,
weapon!
bitch.
Hands up, asshole!
You
Now!
drop
Get down
your
on the
weapons,
floor!
cunt.
Get on the fucking police! Get down! Drop the weapon!
I
Drop
said
the
get
weapon now! Get down on the ground! Get down on your knees! Hands up now!
No, I'm
Good to
done.
go.
Enough! I'm done.
Got need to talk.
You're doing what you
Entry
have
team
to.
to talk.
Same as
Ready for
everyone
pickup. Suspect in custody.
Entry team, this is Talk. Trailers notified.
Open, clear with
Bang
flashbangs.
into place.
Open, bang, and clear.
Flash out.
Drop the knife on the ground!
Empty over here. No contacts. Talk. Drug secure. Got him.
Talk to Element.
Searching.
Secure the area and we'll send forensics in.
Good to go.
Stay cool. We got this.
Just don't rat me out, alright?
We gotta start selling soon.
Provide support.
On your six.
Just gonna
Let's see how tough you really are.
Put your hands
Pick
up!
him up.
Police, get down!
This is fucked!
Drop the weapon! Down!
Element secured. Suspect is down.
Turn
Suspect
around
Rick out of
slowly.
bag.
Don't you fucking move.
Too tight.
Talk.
Ow!
Good to go.
Talk to entry team. Continue with objectives.
Just taking orders, huh? Heard that one before.
I won't stay locked up long.
Get out of there now!
Open and flash.
I'm good. Come out with your
Police,
hands
come
up!
out! Come out with your hands up!
Looks like we got a left.
You gotta get me out
This
of
is a
here.
big operation.
Stay here.
Stay behind.
Fucking
Civilian
shit.
secure.
Shit.
Talk to lead. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Element to talk. Unknown substance on site.
Entry team, this is Talk. Secure it and keep going.
Hands up, don't move! This is all I'm gonna get!
No, I'm not the one you want. You can't do this to me!
Hands up now! Drop hands on your head! Now! Stay on me.
I'm with you.
Stay down and turn around.
I'm moving at the handcuffs.
are you doing?
Civilian,
I have
ready
a
for transport.
prescription.
This is Talk. Continue mission.
Open the door and flash it.
Jackie.
Putting down a chem light. Get to the door and flash it.
Thing out. Switch with me. Looks clear over here, boss.
Sweeping. Provide support on me.
Right with you.
Open it. Toss a flashbang.
10-4.
Hope they fumigated the place.
Gonna bang it.
Let's go! Put the knife down!
Got an opening here. Opening on the left.
Put it down! Move! Place the weapon on the ground! Put it down! Put it down! Don't move! I'm
The
trying!
suspects have taken civilians prisoner.
No fucking way.
Suspect down here.
Doc to Element. Proceed with mission.
Please, please, just get us out of here.
Down on the ground,
I'm
now!
unarmed. Don't shoot. Fuck. Please, just don't fucking shoot. Fuck.
Turn around and stay still.
Need you to move.
That all you got, clown?
Entry team to talk. We have a suspect in custody.
Doc to entry team. Continue mission.
No, fuck no.
Full in.
On you.
Officer,
into handcuffs.
don't shoot.
Got it back.
Civilian is fuck. I
Good to
want to
go.
go home.
Civilian is secured.
Element, this is Talk. We're ready.
Police, get down!
Suspect is down, but breathing.